Hisense ULED Premium U7H QLED series Quantum Dot Google 4K Smart TV. Supported Internet Services Google TV display technology QLED resolutions 4K refresh rate is 120Hz. Special features are Quantum Dot 4K ULED Alexa compatibility. Included components stand TV remote control power cable quick start guide HDMI. Main features are 4K ULED Hisense proprietary ULED technologies boost color, contrast, brightness, and motions. Quantum dot wide color gamut. Quantum dot produces purer, richer, more brilliant, and accurate colors than a regular LED TV. Peak brightness full array local dimming zone. The average TV is 250 to 350 nits. Anything over 500 nits is extremely good. This television is up to 1000 nits peak brightness across up to 120 local dimming zone for correctly reproducing HDR content. Dolby Vision's Dolby Atmos. Dolby Vision's HDR picture and Dolby Atmos sound are cinema technology for your home. Smooth motion and 120Hz native refresh rate. Smooth motion removes the digital noise that can affect moving objects. The TV's native refresh rate 120Hz is the foundation for its 480 motion rate. Game Mode Pro, all the most advanced gaming tech all in this TV. HDMI 2.1 inputs recognize gaming sequences to automatically adjust settings for smooth. Entry voice control, put down the remote, change the channel, find at these movies, stream your favorite video and more with your voice.